This is very slippery briar. Just be very careful, okay? Super slimy. Ooh, don't twist me. Okay. That makes me a dive gear out over these rocks. Whoa! Step on that. Careful. Step on each other. Smell anything yet? More and more barnacle-y. Maybe we'll see a starfish or something. Or a little crabby. You want to meet a crab? I'll find one and introduce you. How's that sound? That I can promise I can do for you. Oh, it feels so strong amongst all these muscles. Come right. Look at it, there they are. Let's say to them. Hi. Look, Canada geese. Wonder if they'll attack us if they come like a mess up there. Hi, guys. That's okay. Keep moving. Keep moving. I want to see the red. The red makes me think that there's starfish around here. Keep moving. We're not stopping here. There we go. Hi, guys. Come on, Ray. Come on. Up. You're our mountain dog. Good. Come on, up. You saw me do it. All right. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Up. Come on. I gotcha. Atta girl. Good job. That's your leverage. That's what we were training for. All right. Up. Walk around this side. Yes, you do. All right, let's go. Ooh, it's slippery. Be careful. Hi, buddy. Okay. I'm going to lose my phone today. I think I'm going to go sideways into these grooves. They seem more groovy. Oh, Briar, don't scare him. Don't scare him. Let's go this way. Oh, there we go. Good girl. Go right. This way. I'm going to go this way. Briar. Listen to me. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at you. Very vertical. Let's go. Well, good for me. I just climbed that with my hands. Because I have a phone and I have a dog. And I have no breath. Nice to me. I'm good at dog. There it is. Gotta get to the backside if we want to see a sea lion. Sorry. This way, baby. Come on. Whoa! Oh, slippery. Can you do it? Are you thinking no? Well, I mean, it's slippery, but it's never been done before. So be careful. Go up. Go that way. Good girl. Now, just let me take my time, okay? So I want to run into this tree. Okay, got it. Go this way. Turn around. Turn around. Good girl. I'm walking one-footed. There's no room. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's better. Okay, I believe we go this way. Sit up. Careful. There we go. Keep going. Okay, now we're at the top. Beautiful. Come on. No, right. Oh my God, you're so fast. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right. Oh, you're stuck. Oh my God, dog. All right. I'm sorry for that one. She jumped like right up off the wall. Some moments I think, God, she's strong and nimble and brave. She trips over her own foot. It's not funny. Okay, keep it going. Oh. These ferns, it's pretty. He's walking away from me. I can't. Creepy. It's a dog. I just had a flyby. Let's see if they come back.
She's not yet ready for the water, so I'm not going to take her all the way down. This isn't the safest. The safest introduction point, is it, honey? Meow. Oh, see them. All right.